Got a ticket to nowhere. Come and fly away with me tonight. Can you stay till the morning? Can you tell me that everything's alright? Lose my mind and I'm falling for you. I can't help but be in need of us two. Got a ticket to nowhere.
Ooh, good morning, everybody. It's me again, your Cetus darling. Oh, wow! Bagumpa ka. Coffee make your morning great. Mali, gali. Samok ba sa igdaan mo, Vanessa?
Mag-energy araw-araw.
So, this will be my last week in college. Last week to, nung first sem namin sa college. And nagkataon na nagsan ako. Sinipagan ako mag-vlog. So, since Monday ngayon, rest day namin, muna. So, dating gawi. You know what I mean? If other students do study or homework during vacant time, me and my sister just take a time as a playtime. Watch dramas, o di kayo matulog. Ang tamad no, but don't worry. I'm still a productive student. Kapag inaabot lang naman ng katamaran, yun na yun. But you know, what? Not everything is stay the same as time passes or even a day pass.
As nothing walang ginagawa, just watching some movies. Watching some movies with my sis and like that.
So, for the second day of a week, ay klasiko na. And here I am, getting ready para tumungo na sa paaralan. As I remember when the first time natama ko sa school, I was just a simple girl with no makeup o kartihan sa mukha. But everything seems changed when I am in third year. Hi! I saw myself na malayo na sa dating ako. Like, what the hell? Life changes nga na ba? No. The people around you change. Yun nga ba yun? Sabi nila, but I think it is still normal. Dalan lang siguro ng pag-mature. So, here I am now at school, sitting at the corner, alone, and just playing my phone. Para bang may sarili mundo like, wala akong pake sa inyo. So, by the way, this is what happened in my second day of class. For 3 hours class, inasikaso namin yung project namin. So, diba, kung saan deadline na, doon pakikilos.
So, hi! Good morning!
So today is the third week. I mean, today is a third day of a week. Nothing.
Salt, 1 egg,
Third day,
butters.
which means vacant day namin. I mean, no class day, pero my sister is panay memorize ng recipe niya. Kasi they have a laboratory, not a laboratory sa klinika or something like related sa health.
Ano ba?
Ito naman
7:21.
yung laboratory sa HRM. Ma-bake ba sila or mako? So, umulan na lang. And tumila yung ulan, waiting for her, kasi expect ko na may dala siya na food. And as expected nga, ang dami niyang dala.
You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further.
Tuluman lang ni. What? Ang ka mo natitim bread? Ade, bread, cake, and then roll na kwan.
The other one here. Let's try this salad din eh. Potato.
Naman na!
Kauna na, yung ribaw.
Kapangit mas ang salad mo. Egg lang gusto ko de. Okay. Try this one salad.
Ipaapo ko lang kanina, hindi pa nasin ka mga kuwan sa lahat ko. Kaya sabi niya, "Ano pa man, hindi matigam pa sabi ko sa manina, pinakpok malina, pero kung gusto ka, ikaw." Ay ako, dili.
Natubod.
Natubod nga ni, kay aram mo kung piraan in the degree, and 180 degree kay nag-abot sa 500. Okay, sana. Mayumok sana.
Tabang.
Ha?
Tabang.
Hindi ba na matamis?
Talaga, dapat may lasa siya para sa burger pan.
Okay na, lasa.
Why?
Sabi daw.
Malangsa. Patwa kasi kaulas na namang kuwan, ma-serve kaming PT Force, ma-serve kaming cake, ma-serve pa kaming bread. It's not perfect.
Ay, masita
Toppings.
mo na icing. Waray ng topping, puro na icing.
Itong chocolate na.
Alam mo na wala ko sa kuan.
I love.
Nagluto ka pa, kunura man ng toppings. Alam mo na wala ko kuan. Hindi pa natunaw ang Dutch.
Dutch na ano?
Itong chocolate.
Let's try this.
Butang sa plato ka
Dado nga man. Wait lang.
Naglamukat.
Wait, plato.
Ban udo.
Alam niya, nagakwan siya.
What the fucking face is this?
Turtam S, mas na ito dati. Ano ka ibang flavor?
Iba lang ang flavor.
All the barricades, I wanna know why they hold me back. Need a miracle to break me through, but I won't get that. If I was a real wonder, then I could save me from turning around, lift me off the ground, and one day I'm free. Yeah, I wanna be a real wonder. Heaven lift me up from under.
just say hi sa fourth day na to. Alam mo kaya ganun? So for an introvert like me, wala naman masyadong ganun. What? For this day, wala lang naman. Pero, kailangan lang namin asikasuhin yung tests namin. Last output na kasi namin to for this semester.
Horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain. Only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like. Look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like.
Coming, my lady. And the day will always like this. You know what I mean? It is the fifth day of a week. Ah. How nice it was. Wagay! Baby, I love you.
You left your perfume on the pillow and your whispers in the air. Keep
This is editing is done. That's why I got this day.
Oh, and I keep finding dog ears that you left in my books. Miss your hate, can I just crash over? Cause you crashed in like a tsunami. Come next to you so hungover. Sunlight painted stripes to your body. I'd give anything that I have, just another one.
So, this is the last day of my week. At 7 days in a week. And I went back home. I went home. Tama ba? I don't know. As of now, I'm busy enjoying my life. Like, I don't care what others talking to me. As long as I have my own life. Yahoo! Get at me or not? So yun na nga, nandito na nga ako sa aming bahay and I am doing so good kasi natapos ko din yung first semester of Classical. Yeah, kakatapos pa lang and I don't have anything to do but to make everything as long as I want.